Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Authenticator and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Authenticator app. If you will find the update, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.